Did you know that in just 1 year, Rome had 4 different emperors, and 3 of them died horribly? After Emperor Nero killed himself in 68 CE, the mighty Roman Empire fell into complete chaos. What followed was the bloodiest year in Roman history. First came Galba, an old general who thought he could restore order, but angry soldiers stabbed him to death right in the Roman Forum, leaving his body for the dogs. Then Otho seized power, but he lost just one battle and decided to kill himself rather than keep fighting. His reign lasted only 3 months. Next was Vitellius, who loved food and parties more than ruling. When his enemies captured Rome, they dragged him through the streets and beat him to death. Finally, Vespasian, a tough military commander, marched on Rome and ended the madness. He founded a new dynasty that would rule for decades and build the famous Colosseum. In just 12 months, the world's greatest empire nearly destroyed itself. Sometimes even the mightiest powers can crumble faster than anyone imagines.